How to archive and unarchive Instagram Reels. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can archive and unarchive Instagram Reels. To do so, first of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, here tap on the profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to your profile page. Here, once you reach to this page, tap on this Reels tab at the middle row. Once you tap on it, you will be presented with the Reels that you have posted on Instagram. Here, tap on the Reel that you'd like to archive. And once you open it, here at the right bottom, you will be able to see these three dots. Tap on those three dots and then from this menu, select Manage option. Once doing that, in this menu, you will be able to see Archive option at the very bottom. Tap on this Archive and tap on this archive to confirm. By doing so, you will see now the reel has been vanished from your account page. To restore or unarchive this reel, now you will need to tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right. This will take you to the settings and activity page. Here under how to use Instagram, you will be able to see archive option. Tap on this archive. This will take you to the page where you'll be able to see all the stories that has been archived. Tap on the stories archive option at the top and then at the bottom you'll be able to see these options. Tap on post archive and here you'll be able to see your reel. Now you can simply tap on the reel and inside it, here tap on the three dots at the top right and at the bottom you'll be able to see this pop-up. Here tap on show on profile. Once you select it, here confirm it by tapping on show on profile again. And now you can go to your profile page to view this reel. Refresh the page and then you will be able to see the reel tab. Tap on it and then you will be able to see your reel here. So by following the steps, you should be able to archive and unarchive Instagram reels. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.